All right, YouTube. So this is the George Foreman indoor-outdoor grill. It's an awesome grill as far as working wise, but when you go to clean it, it's a pain in the butt. The stands don't come off. The only thing that comes down or off the actual grill is the actual stand that holds it up. You know, the 3 feet off the ground. Anyway, so I found out a few things to make it easier for cleaning. Basically, just dump it in the sink like so. At the one of the dollar stores, you can get one of those, and you get yourself some LA's Totally Awesome degreaser, and just let it go to town on the burnt stuff, the caked up stuff, whatever you want to call it, and then use your sink hose thing and hot water, and it's the easiest way to clean this thing. Besides like a garden hose and whatnot, but you know, we don't have all that because we're in apartments. But yeah, so anyway, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll go from there. Have a nice one.